and thanks so much for coming back to the channel today. I wanted to share something with you guys about how to save on groceries. So I was sitting here and I was getting ready to work on something, and I was like, you know what? This is what I'm getting ready to do today, so why won't I share what I'm doing? So the stores that I have, I know you guys do not have those in your area, so just bear with me and I'll share some things that will help you as well. So I'm late. Today's Friday, and I'm going to go to Harris Teeter. I am not cooking today. I cooked all week. And so I am going to pick up a bucket of fried chicken. So I was curious to know why I was going, what deals they had this week. So I just want to give you guys some tips as I go along and share with you all. And so I was checking my email. So at your stores, because of the prices are going up, you want to start, before I learned how to coupon, and now the coupons are more so better for non-food items. So what you're going to have to do, y'all, is you're going to have to shop your ads. And that's what I had to do. I had to shop my ads before I knew how to really coupon. And so back then you had to go around to each store, and I would ride around each store, go in and get a flyer. Now you don't have to do that, y'all. You can just download the app, or you can download, if this comes up for me, you can download an app called Flip. So I don't know why this just disappeared on me. So let me see if I can find it. I try to pull up all the windows really quick. But anyway, Flip, you put your zip code in, and it has like all of the flyers that are in your area. So Food Line, I went in there yesterday to get some distilled water. I'll show you guys some old video, and then what it looked like in the store. It looked like everything was pushed back. And then Harris Teeter is another store that I mainly shopped at for coupons. And then when I didn't have time, I started going to Aldi more so. Lidl is another store. I know you guys have that as well. That has great deals as well. So you're just going to have to shop your ads. You may be going to different stores, but it may be worth it. Just plan out your trip, like once you drop your kids off and stuff like that. Sign up for those reward programs. I know Food Line has a really good one right now. I like where you buy, let's see, $10 worth of produce, you get $2 back. And my mom, she loves that. Harris Teeter does too. Once you sign up for Harris Teeter's eVic that they have, you'll get these emails. So they give you this one on Friday and they give you one on Wednesday. So I am going to go get chicken later. And so I wanted to see what else they had. And that's when I thought about this video, because sometimes I think that you guys know these things, but everybody may not know. So I think I'm going to pick up, it has a limit here of 4, 87 cents of steamable vegetables. Then if I go to, let's see, did I pull it up? Hold on, y'all. This is the eVic that they send every Wednesday. So I used to live for this when they would send this. And then you can pair this with coupons as well. So the Boom Chicka Pot or the Kettle popcorn is a limit of 4. Usually these up here are the ones everyone has, but not necessarily. Everyone's eVic is different, and it's probably like that if you shop at Publix and all the other stores as well. Some people may have the same ones and some people may have different ones. So like SpaghettiOs is a limit of 10. I know at Harris Teeter you have to get all 10 to get the 77. Okay guys, correction. I have to pause here. I was talking way too fast. So at Harris Teeter you have to purchase all 10 in one trip to get 77 cents or whatever that limit is. Meaning if you buy 5, you can't come back and buy another 5 and still get 77 cents, for example, if it has a limit of it. You have to get it all in one trip. But just follow. I see if I can find the ladies down below. I'm going to give you some other people to follow, and they will tell you more in depth about the certain particular stores if they're in your area. So like if you're trying to stockpile, Harris Teeter kidney and black beans are 49 cents, and it doesn't have a limit here, but you may want to ask someone. Usually it's a limit. And then the Harris Teeter corn and green beans, 49 cents. And though it's hard to find maybe some things on the shelf, so that might be why it's not a limit. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. So these are other deals, and it just depends on what you bought in the past, and that's what will show up on your evict. Some weeks it's not, but usually it is pretty good deals. Okay, y'all. So the next thing, so if you do not know how to coupon at all, and before it was YouTube University out here, I had to learn how to coupon, and I really wanted to know how to do it. So I think I did a search. I don't know what I did, but couponmom.com. No, the lady that I was working with home health at the time, Hope, she told me about couponmom.com. So on her website here, now she has how to start with Walgreens and CVS. And I need to read this because I have not read it in so long. But she tells you here what the coupon system code means. She tells you here strategic shopping tips, and her couponing book free download. So I read this, and I'm going to read it again because it's been so long. It was like 2017 when I first read it, and I taught myself how to coupon. Of course, there's tons of YouTubers now and people teaching people, so you may not you know have to do this. Okay, so the next thing is I want to show you guys, if you do not have time to coupon, then shop your store sales. Start with that and start with the flyer. Or if you just don't want to feel like doing that. But if you do, you can go to you can purchase your inserts. So you can go to the store and you can purchase them as well. If it's P&G week, which is usually the end of the month, which is Procter and Gamble, where you have all the Tide and the Gain. Let's see, y'all, what else? The Crest coupons, the Always, the Tampax, stuff like that. Oral-B, you better go early to get your inserts because everybody and their mama trying to get those inserts. You can use I think, I don't even know the name of the website right now, but there are websites you can print the Tide coupons. But anyway, back to this. You can purchase your inserts because I know the News and Observer for us is $3. So you can go to Coupon Inserts Galore here and purchase them. None of this stuff, y'all, I'm talking about today is sponsored. So just to let you know. And then it's another coupon website where you can just order the coupons themselves. You're not paying for the coupons, you're paying for the service and the shipping. So this one here, and if I can remember the other one, I will caption it down below. Okay, moving on to the next thing, guys, is okay, well, where do I go to find the deals? So when I coupon, it was a website where I paid a service. It was like $10 a month, and that was a stretch. It was, I don't know, it was $10 a month. It might have been $10 for 2 months or 3 months or something like that. That was a stretch for me, but it really helped me. It had all the deals. All I had to do was click the store, and it had them all listed for me. That service went out of business, but you really don't need that anymore. She would find things that some of the other people left off. Southern Savers is one of my favorite ones to go to, and she also has a YouTube channel. And what you do is you go up here and you click what store you're looking for, and you can click, let's see, the weekly ad, the extra deals, or $1 or less, and she will have all the deals for that week up here. And you will learn from Coupon Mom or other YouTubers or other bloggers how to read that coupon. And you can actually click here on these here, and it should pop up like make a list for you. You can print that list out if you don't want to sit here and go through your coupons right then. So it'll just tell you like the deals. One deal that I saw, and I'll share with you guys, is if you buy, say, $5 when you buy 5 participating Kraft or Heinz product. And I also want to share sites such as Facebook groups. So one of the Facebook groups, and she has other stores as well, but Mulan Savings Mom, she does Harris Teeter and some other stores. She's on the East Coast. She may be in my state. I can't remember. But as well, when I was scrolling on here, let's see, did I close Facebook? No. Okay, so when I was scrolling on here, she has a Facebook group, and then that is her blog. So usually when you click this deal here, it will go over to her blog. Had no idea that Heinz mustard was 50 cents. So when you buy 5 of them, it's 50 cents. And usually some people will get in the comments and they're like, do I need a coupon? I did not know barbecue sauce was 50 cents. So even though this may not be your favorite, you may can be able to give it to a family member, or you may be able to doctor it up. So if you buy 5, I see somebody here ask, do I need a coupon? When you buy 5, no, you don't need a coupon. You use your rewards card, your eVic, and it's 50 cents each. So that's why I like this website. I haven't came on here in a while, and y'all know how Facebook is and Instagram. If it's not in your algorithm, if you have not looked at it in a while, it's not going to show up for you. So you have to get up here in the search and search it. So yeah, search it. So up here has Harris Teeter Deals is the Facebook group, and there's another one called Couponing at Harris Teeter if you want to join. They also do that for like Dollar General, couponing. Just search, y'all, and be accepted into the group. Another person that is awesome is Smart Shopper, Faye with WREL. I know you guys, if you're not in the area, you just gonna have to find if you have a coupon person in your area. So Faye, before she was with the news, WREL, she did it on her own, and then she was able to get employment with WRL doing the deals. So she has a Facebook group, and then you can click on the links and it will take you over to WRL, and she has like the breakdowns of the deals for that week. I used to live for this, y'all. So the Harris Teeter steamable vegetables, like you guys saw in my email, that must be the same for everybody. So it's a limit of 4. Usually the sales I know starts on Wednesday of that week to the next Tuesday, but some stores may be different. So just check your stores. I know we have Publix. I really don't shop, but I heard great things about Publix, and now I have the opportunity to actually finally shop at one. I don't actually go as much, but I heard they had great buy one get one free deals. And I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I need to share with you guys? So guys, just make sure you get the flyer, go through it, and take some time while you're waiting in that long carpool line or at work when you're not doing something, and search out the deals and plan out your trip so they will be strategic, that you're not going out your way, wasting gas, going all over the world. And you want to probably, it's hard to tell with these trucks now, but you probably want to get there when the deal first starts. So I haven't been in Harris Teeter. I'm curious to know what it looks like. Food Line, I was shocked yesterday, but I'm just looking at some of the deals at Food Line and to see if they're worth going back to go get for the week. So you're just gonna have to shop those sales. Don't forget YouTube, y'all. I will put down the girls that I follow for Harris Teeter. I know too, some people like, oh, I don't want to coupon because some of it's junk. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to shop the ads. I'm not here for getting the mess or the stuff that we're not going to eat. So I'm here for the stuff that we're going to eat. So don't buy it if you don't think you going to try it or you're going to eat it. You know, shop the deals and get the things that you actually or going your family's going to eat. So I hope this was helpful, y'all. There are tons of bloggers, there are tons of websites. Oh, I did forget something. Okay, really quick. Go to Hot Coupon World. There's other ones too. I think, is it Coupon and Tom? And you can also, if you only want to shop for things, specific things, search here and see if there is a coupon out there somewhere in the world. You may not have it, you may not have access to it, but you can shop it and just Google coupon database if you don't like Coupon World. Also, guys, make sure that you download the app for Ibotta, and Fetch Rewards app. They add up really quickly. You'll be surprised. And I love when I go in CVS and I'm using a gift card from Ibotta to get more free items. So check out those. Recently, I just cashed in, I think the most I ever did, 50 some dollars from Ibotta. At first, I wasn't a fan of them because I never seem to get those things, but just keep being consistent and it adds up. Also, guys, just don't stick to the big box stores like Walmart and Target. At Walmart, I see a lot of shelves empty and stuff right now, and that's because everybody too are quick to go to those stores. If you want to find, I was still finding toilet paper and Lysol when everybody else kept running to Walmart, and they were skipping over Dollar General and Family Dollar when they had toilet paper. And also, I felt like it was a little bit safer because it was less people in the store. Even though you had to wipe off your own cart handle and stuff like that. But just don't overlook the small stores, like the mom and pop stores. That's where you find something if you're looking for it and you cannot find it necessarily at Walmart. And I know, guys, this may seem like a lot, and it is, but the more you do it, it gets easier. Start with shopping your sales and do like little small matchups. If you don't have any coupons like that Harris Teeter did with the mustard and the barbecue sauce, it's an instant savings. It's not a coupon. It's just going to take a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, but it's worth it in the end, to see less come out of your pocketbook. If you want to save some money, you're going to have to put the work in. I used to feel so sorry for people because Harris Teeter and some of those stores, even Publix, that stuff will add up if you don't shop the sale. I understand sometimes, or pick up sale items or use coupons. I do understand sometimes you just want to pick up what you want, and I get it. I get it. But if you want to save and if you don't want to complain, you have to put the work in, and the work is so rewarding when you get to that register and the person before you and the person after you is paying way more than what you're paying. So just put the work in. Okay, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye-bye.